We are pleased to show you the 2016 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today. Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile Powertrain limited warranty, a comprehensive 150-point inspection, 10 years of roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.